guys, this is me, Carla. And then that's Zaylee. So, may gagawin ako kasi mayroon akong gagawin. I'm trying to close this because I will practice it. Yo, that's empty. I know. I will pretend that there's a lot of food in it. And I will say there's candies inside. Yeah! Great idea. I know I love France. Bro, guys, this is hard. Because we need to soak it. And I'm scared because I think... Are you scared? Yes. Okay. Guys, this is getting much harder. Oh, yes. Oh, that's a real one. What are you making? Secret. Always tell secret. Secret. I made a heart and then I did this. And then I will gonna put it here to make you happy better when you cry. Oh my god, jokes are much fun. And you said you love jokes. I mean friends. Friends is a deal. Yeah. But we're sisters. Bro. Pinsan. What did you say? Away, sister. Away from them. Sisters mean kapatid or pinsans. Do you know Tagalog? Mag-comment na lang kayo dyan. Guys. She said, how can we float underwater? She said, salvavida, but under. She don't know anything anyways. Dumb. I said under. You said under, sa ilalim ng daga. Meaning ng ilalim. Daga. Guys. Seashell. Dagat. Daga. Ang daga. Pangit mo. Mukha kang tao. Guys, tae daw kayo. Sabi daw. Ikaw yung kausap ko. Hindi sila. Sinabay mo. Huwag kang bumagpo dyan. Guys, anong gusto yung kulay? Color dark blue or light blue or pink or yellow or this or black or gold. What do you want more? Comment! comment down below. I will just choose dark. Is this dark blue? That's dark blue. This is light blue, girl. You don't know how to paint. Bro, what the what's 9 times 9? Go to calculator. What's 10,000 times 10,000? I don't know what is times. Times hindi nag-aaral. Ay, sorry. Hala, ay, sige, hala. Ba't mo yan dala? Simbangin kita kayo. Yeah. Lola. Ay, sa daddy mo pala. Daddy. Tawag mo naman sa daddy ko, Daddy Christian, kahit hindi mo naman daddy. Yoko na. Ayaw na nito. Manonood na lang. Wait. I'm just wow. Sino si John? Sabihin mo yun kay Daddy. I just want to read the I don't care. but I care. Let's go. Andito siya. Nanonood. With her. Bye! Pag bumalik siya, meron na kaming new video. Bye!